our latest project, which was setting up a extra raised bed in our back garden. So we've created some wooden raised beds just using hardwood untreated timber. So normally I would do a bed straight over the top of turf, but we have a little area that I wanted turf, so I made Nathan roll it up for us so we could use it in a different area of the garden, and got Isaac to give it a good water in. It's going pretty well so far, so that's good. We've been able to reuse a little bit of grass for that area. The most challenging part of setting up this garden was getting it level in comparison to the bed that we'd already set up. I don't think we quite got it right, but it took a lot of time to get that sorted. We did a lot of worm rescuing, so Isaac was fully involved with grabbing any worms that popped up. So it's good to know that our soil, even though we just had mulch over the top to stop the grass growing, there was an abundance of life under that mulch. So one thing we do have issues with in this area is trees from the neighbouring yard getting into everything. As you can see, there's a big root here. So what we're going to do is lay down some barrier fabric just to sort of slow it down. I don't think it's going to completely stop it, but to slow it down. Normally I just use a geotextile. In this case we only had a little bit left, so I've used some old weed matting that I've had in the garage for about 8 years. So we'll see how that one goes. So we used just a no dig, fill it up with everything that we had method, and as you can see, it's dropped considerably since we're doing this. We didn't quite have enough. Normally I would top it right up to the top. If you want to grab our method of doing this, you can head on over to our website, and there's a resource where you can download my full recipe for that, for getting started, and usually those beds just thrive with that.